Hello everyone. Welcome back to today's English shadowing practice. In this lesson you'll practice a natural English conversation about ordering coffee and meeting someone for the first time. Listen carefully and repeat every sentence exactly as you hear it. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to sound more natural every day. Let's get started. Hi, is this seat available? Hi, is this seat available? Yes, please have a seat. Yes, please have a seat. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I really appreciate it. You're welcome. You're welcome. My name is Emma. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you, Emma. Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Daniel. I'm Daniel. Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I just moved to this neighborhood. I just moved to this neighborhood. How do you like it so far? How do you like it so far? I think it's a lovely place. I think it's a lovely place. The people are very friendly. The people are very friendly. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? I'm a graphic designer. I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small design company. I work for a small design company. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy your job? Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I really enjoy it. Yes, I really enjoy it. Every day is different. Every day is different. What about you? What about you? I'm a university student. I'm a university student. I'm studying business management. I'm studying business management. That's a great field. That's a great field. Do you like meeting new people? Do you like meeting new people? Sometimes I'm a little shy. Sometimes I'm a little shy. I understand how you feel. I understand how you feel. I used to be shy too. I used to be shy too. What helped you become more confident? What helped you become more confident? I started talking to people every day. I started talking to people every day. I also practice speaking English regularly. I also practice speaking English regularly. Practice really makes a difference. Practice really makes a difference. I completely agree. I completely agree. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. That's very encouraging. That's very encouraging. Would you like another cup of coffee? Would you like another cup of coffee? Yes, I'd love one. Yes, I'd love one. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. It was really nice talking with you. It was really nice talking with you. I enjoyed our conversation. I enjoyed our conversation. Me too. Me too. I hope we meet again soon. I hope we meet again soon. I'm sure we will. I'm sure we will. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. You too. Take care. You too. Take care. Excellent work. You just completed today's English shadowing practice. If some sentences felt difficult, don't worry. Repeat this lesson again tomorrow and focus on sounding natural instead of speaking fast. With consistent practice, your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence will improve. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'll see you in the next English shadowing lesson. Goodbye.